Aloha, class. Hope everyone is doing well and that you had a great week. Only a few more weeks left in the semester, so hang in there. This week we're on lesson 10 and we'll be talking about power, influence, and persuasion. By way of the agenda, we'll start with some Did You Know trivia. We'll recap lesson 9, discuss the lesson 10 objectives, the assignments due for lesson 10, HOA group meeting information, and final thought. Did you know that until recently, President Nelson skied Black Diamond level ski runs, the most difficult level of ski runs? That's pretty impressive. All right, recapping lesson 9 and the Lance Armstrong case, Clayton Christensen article. Some things to consider from the lesson. When do I make decisions and why? And integrity, as we discussed in the meetings, is an important part of our thought decision-making process. What do you want your legacy to be? Think about what we learned from Clayton Christensen. What do we want to be remembered for? And finally, another thought to consider from something we learned from the 7 Habits book. What will people say about you at your funeral? If you look at this end in mind, it should give you some good insight into what you want people to think about you when you're not here anymore. All right, lesson 10 objectives. Power, influence, and persuasion. We're going to learn about different styles of power, influence, and styles of persuasion as they relate to leadership. Examine how different styles are appropriate for different people and different situations. Finally, we'll talk about the team dynamics and group decision making. Now pay attention here because it's going to be, it's a little different this week with the lesson that we have, lesson 10 objectives. So due Tuesday, lesson 10, the case study preparation. This activity, as I mentioned, is different from a case write-up, so please make sure you follow the instructions for your preparation for this lesson. Complete your readings in the 5 Behaviors book, pages 79 to 114. Now due by Saturday, you'll have your case study activity. So you'll have your HOA meetings. Something different this week, you'll have a case study conclusion that'll be due. Now this assignment is similar to a case study write-up, so please, again, follow the instructions. Make sure you do your reading, discussion, posting, and then the self-assessment. As far as the HOA group meetings this week, I'll be meeting with groups 6 and 7. Those of you that stateside know that this is a Thanksgiving holiday this Thursday, so please do your best to meet this week. The nature of the case does require you to meet, as information you discuss here will need to be posted and will be part of your final activity, your final conclusion that you need to post by Saturday. One final thought. I love this quote by Elder Heber J. Grant, or President Heber J. Grant. He often quoted the following statement, which has been attributed to Ralph Waldo Emerson. That which we persist in doing becomes easier for us to do, not that the nature of the thing is changed, but that our power to do so is increased. All right, everyone, have a great week and a happy Thanksgiving. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.